Today's featured car of the day is a 1965 Chevrolet Impala Super Sport. And I'll read from the seller's statement at the auction. And seller stated, real SS car, 327 V8 and 4-speed manual transmission, correct Madeira maroon color and white interior with a white top. And it shows the mileage at 28,549 miles. And it sold for $27,500 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And it was a good looker, that's for sure, being the maroon with the white top and white interior. With 4-speed, it's really nice. A lot of more automatics. You don't see as many 4-speeds, that's for sure. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1965 Chevrolet Impala Super Sport, 327 with a 4-speed with 28,549 miles, and maroon with white top and white interior. And it sold for $27,500 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.